Hey guys, once again welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you one of the Kerala's native dish, that is egg roast. I used to have this with appams, steamed rice cake or just with the parathas. So all the ingredients has been mentioned. Without wasting much of the time, let's start. So first we are gonna heat up the pan and adding the oil. Now the oil is hot, we're gonna add the mustard seeds and let it splutter. Then we are going to add thinly sliced onions. Adding bit of salt to fasten up the cooking and give it a stir. Now adding few curry leaves. Now as you can see in the video, the onion has become slightly translucent. We need to fry the onions till it gets slightly brown. So now it's time to add in all the masalas. So I'm gonna add Kashmiri red chili powder. You can add more or less up to your choice. Then adding turmeric powder. Here adding more of pepper powder. Instead of this, you can add the spicy chili powder also. Give it a mix. Make sure your masalas do not get burned. Then adding garam masala. So you need to stir it occasionally, so the raw smells of the masalas goes away. Now adding 1/4 cup of water. So now the final step is to add in the boiled eggs. Before adding eggs, make sure you're gonna slit over the eggs vertically. Now toss the eggs with the masalas and let it cook for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. So now it's time to turn off the flame and ready to serve. So this was the egg roast recipe. So do let me know if you like watching this video by giving this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So I'll meet you soon with the next recipe. Take care. Bye bye.